Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the month and most of my traders bank amazing profit. As always mentioned guys, if you would like to experience those analysis in real time with a live market, so most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. More information available at the video description, and let me share with you how I help my traders today to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and we were expecting a short trade because we have the early sign. You can see here rising wedge. So we had this Asian session breakout short trade here. So we have taken a pullback whole day, and we also had a counter long trade on EURUSD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. And that was a beautiful trade here. You can see here at the Asian session, that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as you can see here, pullback short trade here, bank amazing profit. And afterwards at the London morning session, as you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader with the live markets. If the price gonna break, because we already have this false breakout, so if the price gonna break this previous high, long here, otherwise continue short here. More likely we were expecting a short because the momentum was bearish, and you can see here major structure is broken. So that's what I explained. You can see here, once we have this breakout, we announce all these pulled back through live audio commentary just to make sure the trader don't miss any opportunity. We had an amazing short trade here. Once the price hit to the, you can see here, that was the previous low in 4-hour, and once we bank some profit, and then we explain to my trader, let's wait for price to develop another pattern. As you can see here, price reverse impulsively, and I said to my trader, if the price gonna break this high, then long here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this level, then we're going to take a short trade here. So price was at the major support. We were expecting some sort of reversal. As you can see here, price nicely broke on this level, and afterwards, again after the breakout, always once we bank some profit, and then we announce another pullback short trade through live ID commentary. As soon as the price hit to the double top, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we analyze the market. And let's move into the pound dollar cable. We had amazing trade guys too. We can see here, if you look at the 4-hour, price repeatedly respected at the resistance level, and sort of like we can see here another rising wedge. So we were expecting this trade. So we had the short trade at the Asian session, and we have all pullback short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely respected the support level. We banked beautiful pips. We also had a counter long trade here. Let me share with you the entries and exit. That was amazing trade guys. If you look at the Asian session, this is the analysis at the Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward breakout based on, you can see here at the 4-hour at this level. And in intraday, that was the analysis. You can see a beautiful breakout, bank amazing profit. After banking profit, looking for another pullback at this level, which we announced through live audio commentary. Beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price respecting the previous low, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for another pattern. As you can see here, price reverse. As soon as the price develop another pattern, most of the traders were expecting possibility of long trade here because the price developed a inverted head and shoulder pattern. But even though I explained to my trader, this is what we are looking, because the price previously respected this level twice. So we're expecting if the price gonna break, then long here, otherwise continue short. And that's what they're asking questions. So we just reply through the live intraday analysis in real time. That's the way they're going to develop their trading skills. Once we have breakout is performed, momentum was developed bearish, that's we announce, guys, grab it. That's the opportunities appearing it. And afterwards, as always, as you can see here, price broken and retest. So we also announced this through live audio commentary, and I also updated that analysis. Look for this breakout, as you can see here in the updated analysis. You can see here, just to make sure the trader don't miss this opportunity. You can see here, beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the support level in 4-hour, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see the market, if market is going to reverse, and we can take trade accordingly. But again, as I said to you, we trade what we see it, but with a valid technical entry. As you can see here, price came back here as explained. Look here, price respected 1 second, so if break, then long here, Otherwise, price also did not develop any pullback here and develop false break here. So this is the level, and if the price gonna break, then short, otherwise long here. You can see here price repeatedly respected this level and the fib channel, and once the price broken, we announced, guys, grab it, counter long trade here. As soon as the price develop a double top here, that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if we can develop another pattern price. As you can see here, price reverse. That's what explains the possibility. Most of the traders were saying possibility continuation, but I said to guys, we're going to trade what we see and not what we think. So let's see here. So price respected here, so we're expecting another third touch. That's another possibility of long. That's a high probability, but I also have probability short, because you can see here price broke on the recent low. So that's what I explained. As you can see here, that's the level. Explain if the price gonna break, then short, otherwise long here, as you can see here. So once we develop this analysis, then top of that, through live ID commentary, we mentioned to our trader, grab these opportunities and take another one. So you can see here, as long as the price stay above, so we have another one, another scaling trade. As soon as the price hit this level in 4 hour, that's what explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had only 2 trades. One, we came out of the break even. Let me explain to you. If you can see, yesterday we had such a nice rally, guys. From this one, from last week, we've been short here. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, the video link is given in the video description. So this morning at the Asian session, we were expecting a counter long trade, which we had it, which we came out of the break even, and then afterwards at the New York session, we had this breakout short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze the entries and exit. Okay, so if you look at the as you can see here, we were short from Monday. So this was we expecting a counter long trade here. Price was at the major support level. We had this counter long trade, make few PPs, and at the London morning session, as you can see here, the price basically developed sort of like a bearish flag pattern. That's another sign of continuation. We had this breakout at the New York session. As soon as the price broke on the previous low and hit to the profit target, that's what explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze market in entries and exit, and bank profit every single day. We had amazing trades on all the yen pair. You can see here we had this beautiful short trade here, bank beautiful pips, and as soon as the price hit this target, then we also had a long trade here. So bank amazing profit, both long and short. Let me share with you guys, as you can see here. And this was the analysis yesterday. We had this beautiful long trade here this morning. Once the price already developed, so looking another pullback short trade here, bank beautiful pips. After banking some profit, as you can see here, price reverse. Once the price reverse, we look at in 4 hour, price was respecting a support level. We have a sign for reversal, breakout, beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what explained my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze the market in intraday, and help my traders to bank profit every single day. But as always mentioned, the interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, and I have very limited space, so most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.